Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller down and removing the battery, safety first. Once done, use a Torx T8 and T6 to remove the visible screws, then lift the rubber flap and remove the hidden screw. Make sure to keep screws organized. Next, insert a plastic spudger at the seam and work around carefully, prying as clips release. This prevents cracking the shell. You'll see the PCB and the RB button assembly. Now you're ready to inspect the switch and spring. You should inspect the RB micro switch and the plastic actuator for wear or broken tabs. Note any loose springs or corrosion. Then, clean the contact area with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, and blow out dust with compressed air. This removes grime that causes intermittent presses. Once cleaned, reassemble enough to power the controller and gently tap the switch while pressing RB to test. If it feels inconsistent, the micro switch likely needs replacement or resoldering. If cleaning didn't fix it, you'll replace or resolder the RB micro switch. Desolder the 3 pads carefully, remove the old switch, and fit a compatible replacement with the same shape and pin layout. Make clean solder joints using proper temperature and a little flux, then check continuity with a multimeter to confirm solid connections. Reassemble the controller, test in-game, and make sure to recalibrate or update firmware if available. If problems persist, try another new switch. Sometimes replacements can be DOA.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.